Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2019 Ram 1500 crew cab pickup truck. This is a Tradesman trim. This is four-wheel drive. Has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine. Again, this is a half-ton. This comes with a chrome appearance package, gives you chrome bumpers, chrome trim. This also features remote start, has the deluxe cloth interior, which is your dark gray interior. Forgot to mention the exterior color on this is called Flame Red. Notice on the new 2019s there's no hump in the rear for the drive shaft. This also has the rear backup camera. Has the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring along with a class 4 hitch. Backup camera. This also, like I said, has remote start. These are also the trailer tow mirrors, so these fold up like so you can have better field of view when you go to tow. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks. This also has the Bluetooth controls, so you can pair your compatible smartphone to the audio system, make and receive phone calls, listen to any kind of music. This also has all your brake controls right here. Very nice, brand new 2019, featured in flame red. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck. If you're interested in this brand new 2019 pickup truck or in any any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the internet or online, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. As always, thank you for giving us an opportunity and have a beautiful day.